Action rules help automate ticket management by ensuring high-priority inquiries are assigned to the right agents as soon as they arrive. To set up an action rule, start by navigating to Inbox on the left sidebar, then go to Preferences. From there, click on AI Rules and Automation and select Action Rules. This will take you to a list of existing rules. To create a new action rule, simply click Create New Rule to start setting up your automation. First, give your rule a clear name, like Auto Assign Urgent Tickets, and add a brief description explaining what it does. There is also an option to select a category to keep things organized. Next, we need to set a trigger, which determines when the rule will activate. In the drop-down menu, select Ticket Created, since we want this rule to activate as soon as a new urgent ticket is submitted. Now, we'll add a condition to ensure this rule applies only to urgent cases. Click on Add Condition, then select Ticket Field from the drop-down menu. Next, within the ticket field options, choose Priority. Finally, set the condition so that when priority in the ticket field is P0, urgent, the rule will activate, ensuring only the highest priority tickets are assigned automatically. You can also combine multiple conditions here if needed. Finally, it's time to define the action. Click Add Action, then choose Assign to Agent from the drop-down menu. You can also assign the ticket to a specific team depending on your needs. Then choose the appropriate agent in the list to ensure these tickets go to the right person immediately. After reviewing all your settings, click Create in the bottom right corner to activate your rule. Now, whenever a P0, urgent, ticket is created, it will be automatically assigned to the designated agent or team, ensuring fast response times and a more efficient workflow. With this setup, your team can focus on solving critical issues without delays, improving overall customer support efficiency.